The following question was asked in GATE DA 2024 for 1 mark, and the nature of problem was numerical answer type. The question is the sample average of 50 data points is 40. The updated sample average after including a new data point taking the value of 142 is what? So initially we are having 50 data points and their average is 40. So it means that if I will multiply the average of 50 data points, I will get the data 2000, and one more new data point is added, that is 142. So the updated sum is 2142, but now we have added one more data point, so it becomes 51. So I need to just divide 51 with 2142 divided by 2142 by 51, I will get 42. So the updated updated average value after addition of 142 will be 42. 42 will be the answer for this particular GATE DA problem. Very easy problem in the GATE DA, right? I hope it is clear to everyone.